For years, artificial intelligence has promised to be personal. But today, Google may have taken the first real step toward making that promise a reality. Google has just launched a new personal intelligence feature inside the Gemini app, an AI mode that can tap directly into your Gmail and your photos to deliver responses tailored specifically to you. Not generic answers, not surface-level suggestions, but context-aware intelligence built around your real life. This isn't just another AI update. This is Google redefining what an AI assistant actually is, and signaling where the future of computing is headed. Today, we're breaking this down from A to Z. What Google announced, how it works, why it matters, the privacy implications, and how this move changes the AI landscape for everyone, from beginners to seasoned tech professionals. At its core, Google's new personal intelligence feature allows Gemini to access and understand user data, specifically emails in Gmail and personal photos, to generate smarter, more relevant responses. This means Gemini can now reference past conversations and email threads, understand events, plans, and timelines from your inbox, identify people, locations, and moments from your photo library. Use that context to answer questions and make suggestions. For example, instead of asking Gemini a generic question like, "When is my next flight?" Gemini can scan your emails, identify your booking confirmation, and respond with precise details: date, time, destination, and even reminders. This marks a shift from AI as a tool to AI as a personal system. Until now, most AI systems, even advanced ones, have operated in a vacuum. They know information, they understand language, but they don't know you. Google is attempting to close that gap by turning Gemini into what it calls personal intelligence, AI that adapts to your digital footprint instead of forcing you to adapt to it. This is the difference between asking AI to search having AI already understand context before you ask. For beginners, this means less friction, less technical knowledge required, more natural interactions. For advanced users, this represents context-aware automation, productivity gains, AI that behaves more like an assistant than a chatbot. This is not incremental progress. This is foundational. Let's talk about what Gemini can actually do with this access. From Gmail, summarize long email threads, pull key deadlines or action items, identify travel, billing, or scheduling information, help draft responses using the full context of past conversations. From photos, recognize events, places, and people. Recall moments based on natural language prompts. Connect visual memories with written data. For example, you could ask, "Show me photos from the conference I attended last fall and summarize what I was working on at the time." That's not science fiction anymore. That's the direction Google is moving. The real breakthrough here isn't access, it's cross-context reasoning, where Gemini combines data types to form a cohesive understanding of your life. Now let's address the most important question. Is this safe? Google states that this feature is opt-in, meaning users must explicitly enable it. The company also emphasizes that data access is permission-based. Users can control what Gemini sees. Interactions are governed by existing Google privacy frameworks. That said, concerns are valid. This is AI operating at an unprecedented level of intimacy, reading emails, interpreting personal images, and building long-term context. For some users, this will feel empowering. For others, invasive. The real takeaway is this: personal AI requires trust, and trust will be the defining currency of the next decade of technology. Google is betting that convenience will outweigh hesitation, but users must remain informed and intentional. Zooming out, this move is not happening in isolation. Google is clearly responding to Apple's push into on-device personal intelligence, OpenAI's long-term memory and personalized assistant goals, Microsoft's AI integration across productivity tools. This is a race to build the operating system for daily life. Search engines are evolving into assistants. Apps are evolving into ecosystems. and AI is becoming the interface between humans and technology. Whoever wins personal AI doesn't just win users, they win habit. Here's the big picture. This update signals a future where you don't search for information, AI brings it to you. You don't manage apps, AI orchestrates them. You don't explain context, AI already understands it. Google's Gemini personal intelligence feature is an early step toward AI that doesn't just answer questions, but anticipates needs. And whether you're new to tech or deeply embedded in it, this shift will affect how you work, plan, communicate, and remember. This isn't just an update, it's a redefinition of intelligence in the digital age. And we are only at the beginning. If you want to stay ahead of where AI, big tech, and personal intelligence are headed next, make sure you're subscribed. Because the next wave isn't coming, it's already here.